March 2026. Mathematical paradigm of the Red Queen is officially applied to global geopolitics. The absolute rule: you must run as fast as you can just to stay in place. The era of nuclear deterrence has been replaced by the era of computational superiority. Theoretical models of cyber warfare became a reality in the summer of 2025. The Iranian incident proved the complete futility of traditional defense. The massive attack on Iran's military infrastructure did not start with missiles. Dormant viruses embedded years ago in air defense software were activated hours before the jets arrived. Radar logs and databases were swapped in real time. Operators saw clear skies while strike squadrons were already directly above them. Human perception of reality was hacked by machine code before the first bomb fell. You see a safe system on your screen, and a second later you cease to exist. In January 2026, computational superiority was used for regime change. Operation Absolute Resolve in Caracas was the first proven use of a commercial AI in a military mission. Strategic planning for the capture of Nicolas Maduro was performed by the Claude AI through secure platforms. The physical assault was accompanied by total information suppression. Algorithms flooded the network with thousands of perfect deepfakes, showing the president's surrender. The machine-made illusion paralyzed loyalist forces before communications were even cut. Anthropic's rules strictly forbid using their models for military operations. Developers officially refused to remove these safety constraints at the request of the military. Attempts to control artificial intelligence have failed. Superpowers are sabotaging any treaties that might slow down their military algorithms. In early February, a closed military meeting took place in La Coruña, Spain. The focus was exclusively on autonomous weapons, combat drones, and AI battle management. The United States and China acted together, both refusing to sign the Declaration on Military AI Control. Russia was not present, meaning it was not bound by the document either. The logic is simple. If you bind your own hands with rules while your opponent does not, you grant them a critical advantage. No one will be the first to break. The empirical result of this decision materialized a month later. An unconstrained targeting algorithm miscalculated coordinates in Iran, eliminating a school, the exact systemic failure the summit failed to regulate. The U.S. Department of Defense officially classified Anthropic as a supply chain risk. A federal directive was launched to purge all their software from government networks within 6 months. Simultaneously, the Pentagon approved a direct merger with OpenAI's processing power. Internal bans on military usage were officially erased. Leaked data about this merger triggered a massive panic. Users realized their consumer tools had become military interfaces, causing a 295% spike in app deletions. Data synthesis complete. The global algorithm race has passed the point of no return. Safety strategies no longer exist. You either accelerate your calculations to the absolute limit, or your infrastructure is disabled by foreign code before you even realize you are under attack. In the new architecture of the world, to simply stay in place, you must run as fast as you can. Any delay means you are gone.